Introducing the 2014 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.